Escoda pulita! Escoda pulita! Escoda
It's amazing. Oh, we are so impressed. Mesdames et messieurs, nous sommes tellement impressionnés, tellement heureux d'être ici ce soir en votre présence. Vous le savez, nous sommes l'équipe d'improvisation de Pokhara au Népal et nous avons la chance d'avoir parmi nous les plus belles personnes du Népal et celles qui, voilà, des meilleurs techniciens du Népal. Mesdames et messieurs, s'il vous plaît, please, ladies and gentlemen, best technicians of Nepal. You teach us everything. You teach. You know how to be a technician. You know how to be French Alliance ambassador. You know how to be beautiful. It's crazy. It's crazy.
It's crazy.
Yeah, we are so happy to be there tonight. Thank you so much. Maybe you would like to perform with us because you know how to improv, of course. Yes, she knows the basic rule of improv. Please, big applause. Elle connaît la règle de base de l'improvisation, qui est de dire oui. So, you're gonna be the princess, you know, and they are gonna be your slaves. Yes. So, please, the slave, you know, they're already prepared. They want to do it so well. So, please, come. She will, yes. And you ask what?
hot water, come on!
Okay. She's a very demanding princess, you know. She's used to, she's in the top 10 of the world Miss, so yeah, she has. And they will try to do the best.
Where are my velvet slippers? I want my velvet slippers.
Yeah, and don't let them quiet. Ask them many more things.
What's Java? They're good. Let's sit down to I asked for tea. Come on. I want my morning tea. Huh?
Didn't you hear? She asked
There is
you.
some milk in it.
Yes, go. There is a cow. There is a cow there. We have to find the milk. Il nous faut du lait, mesdames et messieurs. Elle veut son thé au lait.
Oye, pasó là. On a dinner time. Dinner, oh. Dinner. Dinner, no, you ain't got small. Bye. Wait. Hello, bye.
Yes, don't let them quiet. Go on asking. Yeah.
Bukan ni lagi betul. Dia sampai sana kita kali.
Vous voyez, mesdames et messieurs, le monde de la beauté a ses exigences. Ladies and gentlemen, beauty world is very demanding, so that she needs a lot of stuff. And yes, maybe you could go in the audience. You could pick her in the audience some flower, maybe a beautiful dress, maybe some shoes. Go in the audience, please. Yes. Oh. We need a doctor. We need a doctor. Fortunately, we know that you have been a doctor. We know that you have been a doctor. So here you are. You can make, yes, the consultation.
ladies and gentlemen, for people just coming around, we have Miss Nepal here, who was a former doctor, who is just giving birth to a little baby, thanks to everything she knows, and thanks to the outquarter team of Pokhara. She's stealing the baby. She's stealing the baby. No, no. Come with me. Come with me. Take the baby with you. No, she's definitely dead. You know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. She won't wake up. You know. She lost. Look. She does not even wake. No, I'm sorry, but this could be your baby. This can be your baby. You know. Yeah. And we can celebrate, yes, we can really celebrate this birth. It's a tragic birth, of course, but it's also beautiful. Please, go away. Steal the baby, steal this baby. Save him. Save this baby. Save this baby from an awful life. Please, big applause for this kidnapping. Yeah. She would really like to take care of the baby, so maybe now we could see what happens to this baby. Can this baby grow up on stage? Est-ce que nous pourrions voir la vie de ce bébé qui a été volé quand il était très petit? They try hard to fix. Freeze! Stop moving! You know they're tigers. Freeze! Stop moving, stop talking. We will ask to the audience. Who does this baby belong to? Mesdames et messieurs, à qui ce bébé appartient-il? Évidemment, si il appartient à la mère qui l'a volé, d'une manière infâme mais très bienveillante, if you think she owns this baby, you will shout very loud, for her, with a real high voice. If you think it belongs to the mother who was dead and now he's alive, you will say, for her, with a big voice. Si vous pensez que c'est à cette mère qui est décédée et ressuscitée après avoir donné naissance, vous le direz avec une voix très grave, pour elle. Si vous pensez que c'est à cette mère qui l'a sauvée d'un destin atroce, vous le direz avec une voix très haute, pour elle. So, please, ladies and gentlemen, vote. Pour elle or for her? Oh, louder than that. Plus fort que ça. Oh, it sounds a lot of big voice. You have to give the baby back to his... Yes, you have to.
That's a weird family.
Maybe a policeman could please put her in jail. Audience, will you let this happen? Public, est-ce que vous allez laisser faire ça? No! Give the baby back! 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 Louder than that! Plus fort que ça! Rendez le bébé! Rendez le bébé! Yeah, louder! Give the baby back! Give the baby back!
तर म यस्तै राम्रो बच्चा जन्माउँला क्या हेर त्यो आँखाको बच्चा त्यो यस्तो राम्रो बच्चा जन्माउनु भन्दा तर म नाइले क्या बच्चा जन्माउने क्या
Louder, louder! Give the baby back! Give the baby back! Rendez le bébé! Rendez le bébé! Oh, here she is. Here it comes. Voilà.
बच्चा धेरै खेल क्या भाइ यो खुसियालीमा नाच रे नाच
आमाले पनि आफ्नो सन्तानको ख्याल राख्नु भन्नुपर्छ
अरे मेरो बुढीले सबै जान्छ त्यहाँ जानु त
सिकाउँछौ
सिकाइछु है
कसरी सिक्रा हो है
सिकाइछु तपाईँ जाऊ त्यहाँ
मेरो प्यार भयो
होइन मैले अलिअलि मेकअप गरेँ भने त राम्रो हुन्छ नि त ए हाइट त मिल्छ ठिकै होइन त ठिकै छ
अनि हिलाउँदा म एक्स्ट्रा हुन्छु नि त फेरि
म नि हिलाउँछु नि त अनि एउटा त हिलाउलिस एउटा मलाई
छोरी नै राम्रो जन्मिँदैन यस्तो कुरा
छोरी नजन्माउने त
त्यस्तै पछि चाहियो
त्यस्तै चाहियो
Of course, she will be our guest in Pokhara at the Art Quarter Theatre if she wants to go on performing. But please, big applause for our special guest who did not know until a few minutes that she would perform with us. Neither did we. Nous ne savions pas, mesdames et messieurs, que nous allions avoir une invitée si prestigieuse ce soir. Et donc nous sommes très très heureux qu'elle ait accepté de se joindre à nous et d'avoir joué le jeu avec toute l'équipe donc de l'Art Quarter Theatre à Pokhara. Et nous vous remercions énormément. Thank you warmly for having welcomed us and give us this opportunity to present this show tonight, twice. This is the first time in Nepal that an improv team is performing. So thank you, thanks a lot for this big, great event. Merci beaucoup. Oh, et oui, nos joueurs avaient pour ce soir, pour l'occasion, des prénoms français. So I will introduce the player with their French name, which is Rose. Nepali name, Rosie. Florian. Nepali name, Nabil. And we had also Vincent. Nepali name, Bibek. And Christophe. Nepali name, Samuel. And of course, no need to introduce Miss Nepal. Big, big applause for all the team. Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. Merci à tous et à toutes pour cette belle soirée.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Srinkala. In fact, she was not informed. And she did very, very well. Once again, round of applause for Srinkala and whole improv team.